What? What? I know you got a little something to say. Tell him. Tell him. Oh, not yet? Wow.
Just kidding. Should we talk?
Oh. Well, we're deciding to see where to do the intro, but
we're here, so might as well.
Alright, should we just do an intro then? Yeah. Alright, whatever.
Welcome back to another video.
Yo. I don't even know if we have an intro. Do we have an intro? I feel like I've just been starting videos just like that, and then just doing the outro. But
so anyways, welcome back to another video, guys. Happy Saturday. Today is Saturday.
Well, Monday for them.
Oh yeah.
But,
so.
Yeah.
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. Yeah. We got a lot of little surprises, and I think that's all I'm gonna say, because I know I just continue.
Yes,
saying.
talk a lot. So.
Whatever, but.
Well, why don't we just get to the point and just show them the big surprise?
Oh, I think I got the biggest surprise, but okay, let's say you got the big one. So you got a new car, huh?
Yeah.
How you feel?
I feel good. Man, I still can't believe it.
You got the car?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, shall we show them?
Yes.
What are you gonna do with it? Where are we gonna go?
We have to go to LA, obviously. Road trip.
Ooh.
One, two, three.
I was like 10 minutes later. Run. Have all the room. You're gonna sit with me. Nice.
This is big.
Wait.
We're gonna have to move that. Oh wait.
Right now. Alright, time
What is this for?
I don't know. You can probably put your stuff right here. Wow, the first stuff that's ever been there.
I can leave my trash in there.
No, George.
Guys, I got the shoes. Oh, I can't wait to see them. I gotta go surprise everyone and see the reaction to these beautiful shoes. Let's go. Now what? Are you guys ready to open my shoes for you guys to see them? Whoa.
Yes.
Okay. Oh.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Are you ready to see these?
Yes.
Okay, I'm ready. Damn! Look at these.
Wow.
Oh, dang.
Wow.
You like them?
Look.
Oh my god, material.
Look.
Let me see.
It's really this.
Oh, not for you.
UPS, what are you guys doing, bro? Like, I'm waiting for my other shoes.
Papi, you know it's for the socks and shoes.
Can you see these? Oh my god, these are beautiful. So if you did not cop these, I feel bad for you. Oh, sorry, babe. Sorry. I forgot. As you guys know, she got a new car. And the same day she was getting the car, I got a notification that I won these shoes on a raffle. And they're here, and your car's outside.
Yeah, I know.
Let's go. No, it's called Bless.
Well, these are the ones I wanted, remember?
Oh, yeah, you actually have been wanting these since
And that
they
was-
announced it, huh?
Since they announced it in November, December.
I think they show like a little like exclusive or whatever.
And I even told them like, well, I'm gonna start saving up for these shoes.
That's true.
Oh well. This fool. Acomódate like if you're in your house.
Bro, look at this.
Bro. Thank you.
I'll never say that about a shoe. Why are you touching it? No, don't touch
That's crazy.
it.
Are we playing this game or not?
I like them, but if you give it to me, I like them more.
Alright guys, so this is me giving him the shoes because
Oh, so you'll
Yeah,
do it
bless
for your
others.
boy George, but not for your wife. You're sleeping
nah.
outside tonight.
It's because, you know, the boys need love too, you know? Right? The boys need love. The boys need love, not just the wife. So look guys, this is me. Look. No zapatos. Whoa.
Están nice.
Yeah?
Sí.
Esas son las que me gané.
Está bonito.
Yeah. I was so happy.
Jordan.
Alright guys, so we're playing Mario Party and a package just got delivered for me. I'm pretty sure some shoes, so let's go open them. Turn on these lights. There you go. I mean, it's something. I know I have like 2 shoes on the way, so I don't know which one it is, so let's just open them. Oh, let's go. My guy, we got it. Hey, wow, we got the Jordan 3s. Let's go, man. Guys, I just got these. I got the blue ones that you just saw earlier where people were reacting to. Then I got the Jordan 4s that, let's just show you guys the Jordan 4s. So guys, I just got this shoe. I stayed up all night to try to get this shoe because apparently I didn't win the raffle, but I ended up getting it. Shh, can't say how. So let us know who got the biggest surprise. It's either me or Lorena. She got the car, I got the shoes. Duh, I got the shoes. I got the Jordan 3s, I got the Jordan 4s, I got the Jordan 1s. Let's go, man. Like, what else can I ask for? Like, there's nothing else I want to ask for. Like, obviously a Tesla or something, but it's alright. I'm so proud of Lorena for getting the car. You deserve it, babe. I love you. I really do. Like, the hard work you do. And to buy yourself this car, like a car that you wanted. Probably it wasn't your dream car, but you got a car that you liked when we went to Big Bear. I know why you got this car. I'm proud of you. So that'll be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is down below in the link because obviously you guys would want to follow me if you're new. And subscribe if you're new because every month I'm doing a shoe giveaway. And if you don't believe me, here are some clips.
Thank you.
Okay, congrats.
Congrats. Oh, cool.
Puppy!
Oh, damn. Nice.
Oh my god, dude, I've been wanting a second pair.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Of me actually giving away shoes because I don't fraud people and because I love you guys. So yeah, make sure you guys drop a like and that's all I'm asking. Just subscribe, man. It's so easy, like it warms my heart. So yeah, we'll be back for another video. Peace out. Whoa. We'll be back for another video. Peace out.